green color pencil, 2 different shades of orange or whatever you have, and yellow. Now nothing is required because even though I made Barney green, you can make Barney blue or whatever color you choose. So a little bit of noise as I adjust the camera. Oh, and you need one more thing, a black color pencil. Yes, I'll show you what to do with that in a minute. So I'm moving, forgive the noise. I want you to be able to see my paper here as I start drawing. Okay, let's see if we can get it just right. Sorry about that. Okay, I think that's good. Forgive that noise, please. We're going to start with Barney's face is here and his body is going to be here. So let's start with his eyes. And I have a little fan on. I'm going to turn it off to make sure you can hear me well. So we're going to start with the first eye. And we just did like half circles. But here we're going to make a round circle. And inside that circle, we're going to make another one. I made that a little bit bigger. You can make it smaller. And here we're going to make another funny eye coming over, a little bit of overlapping here. And all we're doing is a series of what I call smiles. Like that's a smile and that's a frown. So smiles, smiles, and frowns. And then a circle. Now this one's going to come out better. That's a better eye. So let's finish the eye. Let's make a little bit of black here. And let's come across a little bit of black here. And then we're going to add some little lines. Let's keep our lines kind of close together all the way around. Now, I'm just going to go back over this line. And sometimes I do a little cheat thing. You know what this is? Well, this is not made. Oh, listen to that noise. That's a crazy noise. It's not made for this, but sometimes I use it. I like to make that top line a little bit thicker. I'm just going to not put that top back on so tightly so we don't have to listen to that annoying noise. And just get your lines in here. Yeah. Okay. I don't think it looks bad. Let's add some extra lines right in here. Like maybe one here. And we'll leave that side alone. And then we're going to come out and make his nose from here. So we start right here by this eye. We come out and go down. We make a triangle with rounded sides. And then we're going to get some lines in here to give his nose a little bit of texture. And then we're going to make a line that's going to come all the way around. So here we go. We start here. So the best thing to do is to watch first and then do up, 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 down, down, all the way, come to this corner, turn, and we're going to kind of round it up. And it doesn't have to be perfect. See how I made that kind of zigzaggy? And then I want to add another little line here. Okay, so you can make your Barney look any kind of way you like. Move it over a little bit because I want to do the ear. Make sure you can see it there. So the ear is going to come up and then down, up, and then I'm going to cross over it and come down. And then over here, I'm going to come up and then out and up and then out. And I made a little wiggly line there. So I'm going to move it over a little so you can see how I do the next part. The next part is his body. Now on the regular Barney, he has these little pearls around his neck, his collar. But I don't think I'm going to make that today. You can if you like. It's up to you. So we're just going to make his little body come out and down. And I want his head to be the biggest thing on him. So I'm going to make his body pretty small. Come down and in, then out, and then down. And 1 and 2. And then here, we're going to go up. One, 2. And let's come down again. And then let's do his tail. We're going to make his tail a little fat and then it goes skinny. Let's see. Can you see that? His tail. Now that we have his body all together, to really create Barney is just a matter of coloring. Now, we didn't take that long to draw him, so let's spend some time creating him. Let's start with the green. Let's get his eyes nice and green. Oh, someone wanted to know what kind of pencil I'm using. There you are. Okay, I think you can see that. Any kind of color pencils will do. But these are my favorite because they're very smooth. A little bit, it doesn't feel as if there's a lot of wax. However, I do like a lot of waxy type Crayolas and color pencils because I like to use a little oil, smooth it out to make it feel very much like it's a very smooth drawing. I like to take the black and kind of get the edges a little bit. To me, I just think it makes it look cool. I do it solely because I just like the way that looks. And then let's get the rest of his head here. It's so smooth using these color pencils because it just really glides over your paper. You can make your own Barney. You can make your Barney look whatever way you like, whatever color you choose. For my Barney, I like him to be this little green dog. Man's best friend. Maybe so. My dog follows me everywhere. Now I'm going to add just a tad bit of orange in there, just to, I don't know, like I said, I just like the way it looks. And then we're going to finish him off. Now, I'm not going to take any more video time to show you how to color Barney, but you can color him any way you like, and also you can add a fancy collar to him. You can do it with lines. You can make you can do something really strange like, I'm going to use this again because I want it to be a little bit thicker. Okay. You can make your collar any way you like. I'm just making a little funny looking dog chain, and I don't know, I think I'm not sure. Oh, okay, I'll write his name in here so everyone will know, and I think I'll do it with some fancy colors. Hope you can see that. Now finish yours off and do send me the pictures. I'll be happy to see it. Oh, look at me putting my finger in the way. I'm still an amateur, but I'm still a great artist. I'm Rain, and thanks for joining me.